Welcome to the Mint. Today, I'll show you exactly how dollar bills are made, from raw cotton to the cash in your wallet.
Check the batch number against the manifest.
Looks good. The watermark is clear on this roll. Confirmed.
Our specialized magnetic inks are precisely balanced, ensuring both high security against counterfeiting and long-lasting durability.
Every bill is scanned and checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how money is made. Pure, from start to finish.